Hey everybody and welcome to Technology and Toys, and today's video is going to be a hands-on unboxing first impressions of NuVending's NuBoom solar Bluetooth speaker. Now, that's a lot to say in one sentence, but it is a pretty cool product. I've played with it for about 10 minutes and stuck it back in the box for this video. So what this is it's a big Bluetooth speaker, and it charges normally through micro USB, but it also charges through solar power, and you can see direct sunlight powered. 10 minutes in direct sunlight will give you over 30 minutes of music playback, and then it's got NuBoom on the sides. So let's unsheath it and open it up. And inside we have the speaker itself wrapped in this plastic, we'll get to in a second. We have this little white box which has all of our accessories in it. Inside of it you get a couple Velcro straps. You get a small carabiner. You get a USB-A to micro USB cable. It seems to be fairly short. And then you also get an aux cable for those of you who still use things wired. And at the bottom of it you get a user manual, which you can read on your own, but I'll basically give you the summary of it in a minute. And you get a little pamphlet of all kinds of NuVending stuff. But I'm going to put everything back in the box and we'll take a look at the speaker itself right now. It comes in its little plastic baggie. It doesn't come with a carrying pouch, which kind of disappointed me when I first opened this, but I guess it's fine. It's going to be in my bag anyways, so I don't really need it. But here's the speaker itself. You can see it says NuBoom. NuBoom gives you the specs that we just read off on the box. And it's got one big subwoofer, or maybe two. Is that two? I don't know. So it's got the subwoofers over here, and then you've got your tweeters up here. And this is a really loud speaker. I've been playing with it for about 10-ish minutes. It's really loud. Up top, this is where your solar panel is. You can see him right there. And you put this down in the sun and it starts charging. If I show you right here, that green light in there, it's charging because the lights in my studio are acting as its sunlight. So if I sit that there and let it charge for about 10 minutes, I can play 30 minutes of songs on it. On this side, you can see you have a volume down and up button. You have a answer call button. You have your power button and a flashlight button. And then if we take a look on this side, you have your input, output, and audio in and out. So it charges through micro USB. You have a full-size USB-A port to charge with. And then you have your aux cable. It's splash-proof. It's IPX5 rated. And then your microphone is also right here. So if I turn this on, it goes straight into pairing mode. You can tell by that light flashing. If I grab my phone, and here in my Bluetooth settings it shows up as ES-T62. And it connects. So now that we've got her all paired up, I'm going to go grab a song real quick and see how it sounds. I mean, I know how it sounds, but I'm going to show you guys how it sounds. So this is about half volume. And it's pretty loud, but if I bring it all the way up to full volume, so yeah, I'd say that's a pretty loud speaker. If you bring that to any of your parties over the summer, it's probably gonna get the job done, and then some. And while you're out in the sweltering hot sun, you can charge it through the solar panels. On Amazon right now, the NuBoom wireless speaker is about 70 bucks, which kind of sounds like a lot, but considering that you're getting solar charging, this really, really loud speaker, you're getting a 4400 milliamp hour battery inside of it that you can actually use to charge other devices, you're kind of right in the ballpark of what that would be normally. And then you also have this flashlight. You do get a lot in one tiny package. So that's my unboxing, hands-on, semi-first impressions of the NuVending NuBoom solar Bluetooth speaker. I'll have the link to buy this in the description below. I'm supposed to be going out with a friend later to run around town testing these. And I say these because I have another speaker off to the side of the screen that you guys can't see. But you will be seeing shortly on the channel. And that one's pretty loud too, so just a heads up. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, as well as turning on notifications so that way whenever I post another video you get notified. This has been Jake from Technology and Toys, and until the next video, I'll see you later. Goodbye.